Alright, so I got put in the negative and the positive, and what I do is I got the positive end going to a 100 amp fuse underneath this box. It just snaps out, and I got a fuse underneath there, and then it comes back out here, and then of course the negative positive feed into this rubber 3/4 inch conduit. Good for using outside. Got it at Lowe's. I guess most applications have it running underground or something, but I figured it'll be good to protect all the power I got going through here. And this tube then runs down to underneath. I got it coming here underneath. I use these holders for it, self-drilling or self-tapping screws. It runs along driver's side, a couple more. And I have it going up over the wheel well of the bed. So it comes up inside of here, back around. And you see I have it exiting here. Alright, so then it runs up along the bed, gives me plenty of room. And have it ends there, and then it comes back around to here. Got the back end filled with silicone, and that's what it looks like on the bumper. So a spring-loaded door, dust cap, nice seal in there, and that's what's going to connect to the trailer. So next week I'll end up installing the trailer one, and then instead of bringing a generator camping, we'll just be able to plug into here. And this is going to be going to my 60 amp DC to DC battery charger that I'm installing on the trailer.